guys, I hope you all are doing well, and today video is gonna be about topic familiarization of various feed and fodder. So let's get right into the video. Objective: familiarization of various feed and fodder. Introduction: an edible material is ingested, digested, absorbed, utilized by animal for their beneficial is known as feed. Various type of feeding stuff are available for the livestock feeding. So what is feed? An edible material which is ingested, digested, absorbed and utilized by the animal for their beneficial or for their metabolic activity. Livestock feedstuff are generally according to the amount of specific nutrient they furnish in the ration. The classification of feed is on the basis of bulkiness, which is dependent upon the content of crude fiber. They can be divided into major categories, that is roughage and concentrate. Roughage: these are bulky and contain more than 18% crude fiber and less than 60% total digestible nutrient, and are poor energy yielding nutrient and digestible protein. Roughage are broadly classified as dry and green roughage based upon the moisture content. Green and dry roughage contain 70 to 80 and 10 to 15% moisture respectively. Dry roughage, they are further classified into straw and hay based on the nutritive value and methods of preparation. Straws are the residual part of cereal crop like wheat, paddy, pulses, husk. Such straw are very poor in energy, protein and mineral content. Hay is obtained by conserving green crop and categorized as leguminous and non-leguminous. So dry roughage is further classified into straw and hay based upon the nutritive value and the method of preparation. The straw are the residual part of cereal crops like wheat and paddy, pulses and husk. Such straw are poor in energy, protein and mineral content. Hay is obtained by conserving green crops and they are categorized as leguminous and non-leguminous. Green roughage. Green roughage, they are classified into two groups: leguminous, berseem and leucine, and non-leguminous, maize, sorghum, oat, napier, grass. Concentrate. These are less bulky and contain less than 18% crude fiber and more than 60% total digestible nutrient, and they are rich in energy yielding nutrients. They are broadly classified into three categories: vegetable source being subdivided into two as carbonaceous, maize, sorghum, barley, and proteinaceous, groundnut, soybean, mustard cake. Mill byproducts: wheat and rice bran, pulses, chuni, and animal sources: fish meal, meat meal. So the vegetable sources divided into three, that is carbonaceous, proteinaceous, and other category are mill byproduct and animal sources. These all are concentrate. Feed supplement. Feed or feed mix used to improve the nutritional value of the basal feed, that is feed supplement. Feed or the combination or the mixture of feed that is used to improve the nutritional value of the basal feed or concentrate is known as feed supplement. A supplement is rich in one or more nutrient and is combined with other feed to produce a more complete feed. A supplement is fed to correct or prevent deficiency of this nutrient. Example: mineral and vitamin supplement. Feed additives are not nutrient but used to improve the utilization of feed nutrients. So what are feed supplement? They are the mixture to improve the nutritional value of the basal feed, but feed additives are not the nutrient. They improve the utilization of the feed nutrients. Numerous feed additives which accelerate growth, increase milk production, promote health include vitamin, mineral, antibiotic, probiotic, inophore, enzyme, hormone, and are used in the small quantities. Classification of feed and fodder. Feed and fodder: roughage, concentrate, supplement and additive. Roughage divided into dry and green. Okay, dry further divided into crop residue, hay crop and industrial wastage. Waste. Crop residue: example paddy straw, maize straw, hay crop, oat, cowpea, berseem, leucine. Industrial waste: bagasse, sunflower head, tea leaves waste. Green: cultivated and natural. Cultivated further subdivided into leguminous and cereal grasses. Leguminous: leucine, berseem, cowpea, cereal grasses, maize and oat. Natural: grassland and pasture, doob grass, tree leaf, sahatooth, bale and subabul. Aquatic plant: water hyacinth. So how classified? Rough is dry, green. Dry further subdivided into crop residue, hay crop, industrial waste. Green further subdivided into cultivated, natural. Cultivated divided into leguminous and cereal grasses, and natural divided into grassland, pasture, tree leaves and aquatic plants. Now further concentrate subdivision: energy feed and protein feed. Energy feed: grains, byproduct, maize, oat, barley. Byproduct: wheat bran, rice polish and molasses. Okay. Protein feed: animal protein and vegetable protein. Animal protein: meat bean, bone meal, blood meal, fish meal, skim milk powder. Vegetable protein: pulses, chuni, oil cake. Pulses: gram, pea, moth, cowpea, chuni, arhar chuni, gram chuni, moong chuni, oil cake, groundnut cake, til cake, mustard cake. Supplement: vitamin, mineral mixture. Additive: antibiotic, hormone, probiotic or herbal stimulants or surfactants or enzymes, inophores, and so on. Thank you. Have a nice day.